Hi, my name is Maggie Haber. I'm 15 years old and I will be a sophomore at the Harvey School in Katona, New York in the upcoming 2019-2020 school year. During my first year in middle school, I took a mandatory technology class. Little did I know how much those 10 weeks would change my life. With the support of an incredible teacher, even after the semester was over, I continued to go to the workshop during lunch, working on different projects such as building shelves out of recycled materials for my teachers. Another teacher introduced me to magnetic levitation competitions. I also became one of the founding members of our school's news program, where I learned video editing and how to work with others to complete a complex project. After these opportunities, I realized that the fields of science and technology is really what I'd like to pursue as a career. My school also had an Fll team, which at first I was eager to join, but then I found out that I would be the only girl on a team of 20. I was too intimidated by this fact. When I started high school, I decided that being the only girl on a team will not prevent me from joining anything ever again, and was eager to join their FRC team, and was happy to see that other girls did too. I was an active member of the FRC team and took as many technology classes as I could fit in my schedule. I am switching schools for next year, where I will be taking a robotics and media editing class, and I will also be a part of their video team and VEX robotics competition team. I was also invited to mentor our local high school's FRC team. My parents or relatives are in the engineering field or any related field. I found my way into engineering on my own with the help of a very supportive technology teacher in middle school and a senior that took me under her wing at the high school. I want to show girls that anyone can go into tech, and you can forge your own path in this field. I would love to be a mentor for them like the ones I was lucky enough to have. I think being an engineer girl could really help me achieve this. In my town, Carmel, New York, there aren't many programs for engineering. The few that do exist are male-dominated. My goal is to organize programs in my community where girls are introduced into STEAM in a welcoming, safe, and supportive environment. I will be creating an after-school club at my local library. The club will use aspects from the Girls Who Code curriculum, Fll League Jr., First LEGO League, Scratch, Scratch Jr., and MIT App Inventor. I will be combining so many programs so the girls will get a chance to experience many types of engineering. The more aspects of engineering the girls are exposed to, the more chance of them for finding a branch that speaks to them. Girls Who Code teaches the basics of coding through fun and engaging projects such as making binary code bracelets where the girls will learn how to spell out their name in binary code. Fll Jr. promotes problem solving and collaboration. Girls will complete missions such as figuring out how much energy is needed on the moon and how they can get it. Groups will have to build something out of Legos that will complete the challenge. To take it a step further, teams can also code their creation using We Do 2.0. However, the library doesn't have computers available for us to use, so projects using Scratch or MIT App Inventor would have to be done at home. With the $250 from EngineerGirl, I would buy 5 Kindle Fires that would run these programs. These could be reused for subsequent programs and later donated to a local preschool serving underprivileged families. I would also use some of the funding for supplies for activities. Both of these purchases will give the girls a more challenging and hands-on way of learning. I would also like to bring a similar program to Page Hungary. Hungary is my home away from home. I've spent my summers with my family in Hungary ever since I was little, and I have even had a chance to attend parts of preschool, kindergarten, and 4th grade there. Recently, I went looking for a STEAM camp and realized that though they have a few technology camps, not a single girl was enrolled in any of them. Interested in the reason behind this, I did some research and found that Hungary has the lowest ratio of female to male engineers, and only 25% of engineers being female according to Europa.eu. I will bring an interactive STEAM workshop to different and non-technology oriented co-ed summer camps. Beszélek magyarul, úgyhogy ez nem lesz probléma. I will be dividing the program into 2 age groups, ages 8 through 12 and ages 13 through 16. For the younger age group, I will be doing 5 small engineering projects to introduce them to 5 different branches of engineering: mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, architectural engineering, aeronautical engineering, and computer science. The 5 projects are a simple circuit that will be put on a doodlebot, binary code bracelets, paper rockets, and spaghetti towers. For the older groups that are closer to choosing a career path, I will go over these 5 fields briefly and why engineering might be a field to consider. They will also do 3 design challenges: a marble launcher challenge, a spaghetti tower challenge, and a robotic arm challenge. The budget for the project is $75 for materials, which will be provided by the camps. There is also no need for advertising since I will be going to already existing camps. Thank you so much, EngineerGirl, for honoring me with this amazing opportunity. Thank you for listening, and I can't wait to meet everyone this November.